Alright, I am not mad. Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. This is gonna be part 3 of my one product hair series. And I'm going to be doing a wash and go with a mousse. Like, I know that probably sounds crazy. It sounded crazy to me, but I've seen people do mousse only wash and goes, and it came out really cute. And this is the product that they used a lot of the time, so we're gonna see. So this is the Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. It says that it creates soft wraps, defines curls, and tames frizz, and is for all hair types. So I ordered this from Amazon. It says it defines curls and gives hold to twist outs, moisturizes dry brittle hair, adds body and shine, long-lasting control, and non-flaking. I've used mousses for like wraps, of course, or for like a flexi rod set or something like that, but I've never used it like just to define my curls. So I don't know how this is gonna work. I don't have the most faith in it, I'll say that. I'm just being honest. So y'all pray for me. Alright, so I have my spray bottle here, and I'm gonna just spray my hair. It's still pretty wet because I just washed it and rinsed out my deep conditioner. But from what I can tell from watching other people do videos with this product, their hair was really wet. And so I'm assuming that my hair needs to be wet as well. Alright, so I'm really tempted to spray like a leave-in on my hair just because I don't want this mousse to dry my hair out a whole lot. But this is a one product series, so I'm gonna stick with that, and I'm not gonna put any other products on my hair. I'm just gonna start with a small section. Alright. So this is what it looks like. I did like 3 pumps. Wow, this smells really nice. Like, it's a very sweet smell, like fruity sweet smell. Alright, so far it feels like a mousse. Not really getting definition so far, so I'm gonna add some more. Not giving up on it yet, guys, but I don't know about this. Okay, so I just added like 3 more pumps. I'm feeling the definition trying to come through. I mean, it's trying to come through. I'm wondering if I should have tried this on damper hair, because like with my regular wash and goes, even with gel, my hair does not do as well on soaking wet hair. So it might just be that my hair is too wet. But I mean, there's not much definition going on. So I'm adding more product. Something tells me this is going to take a lot of product. Like a lot. Okay. So it definitely gets more defined the more product that you add, which makes sense. But geez. Alright, y'all. This actually isn't bad. Took a lot, of hair product, but it doesn't look that bad. Alright, so I'm gonna leave that alone. And I think I need to work in smaller sections for this, and I'm not gonna spray it with water. So we're gonna see if that makes a difference. Yeah, so I feel like small sections and lots of hair product is key with this mousse. Alright, so I'm just gonna hush now so y'all can just watch the tutorial. Mad. Like, honestly, my hair looks really good. Alright, so my hair is completely done. And first of all, let me say that this is the fastest wash and go I've probably ever done. This product glides through your hair super easily. It's very moisturizing, and so my hair feels so soft. I'm hoping that doesn't mean that it's not gonna hold. Y'all know I'm a gel girl, so I'm very skeptical about how this is going to end up looking when it dries. But right now it looks really pretty. So I will be back when it's dry. Alright, so I slept with my hair in 4 ponytails like I always do for my wash and goes. So I'm just gonna take them down. Okay, so basically my hair is a fro. There's a lot of volume, but I basically have no definition. Like, it almost looks like I didn't even do anything to my hair. So yeah, we're going to pin this back. Alright, so basically I have a cute fro. So if you want a fro, then I recommend this product. I mean, y'all know I'm a gel girl, and it's not just because I love gel, but it's honestly because my hair is really frizzy, and so only thing that'll hold my hair is gel, and if not, this is basically what I get. Which is fine for like one day, but I need my hair to last the entire week, so yeah. I will not be replacing my gel with this, but I think it'll probably be good for, you know, if I'm trying to use it for like a flexi rod set or something like that. I might try it with a twist out. It might work out better with a twist out, but honestly, I don't know. So if you've tried this product, then let me know down in the comments, and also comment down below any other products that you guys want me to try. I hope that you found this video helpful, and I will see you guys in my next one.